Hey, what's up guys? Mark here at Wired Kustoms, your favorite audio store. We just now picked up DB Drive, as many of you know. Just like all companies, DB Drive has entry-level products all the way up to top-notch products that have broken world records. Absolutely, you can go and check it out. Don't take my word for it, even though I am the professional. Go check it out for yourself and find out. I'm about to show you an 8-inch speaker. This is from DB Drive. It's called the WDX G5. WDX G5. This speaker is 900 watts RMS. RMS is what the speaker can actually handle in a real application. Speaker has a 2.5-inch voice coil. 2.5-inch coil is about as big as you can go on an 8-inch speaker, or else you would have no cone left. Here she is. That is the DB Drive WDX G5. 2.5-inch voice coil. It does have a micro pressed paper cone, as you can see from this right here. It's going to have a double stitched foam surround, so it's got 2 rows of stitching right there. It has dual poly cotton dampeners. This is also created from a die cast aluminum basket. This is what we like to call a cast frame. However, this one is made out of aluminum. Of course, now just keep in mind one thing, guys. They could have very easily just stuck a normal rubber boot on this speaker. However, they got it embossed where it has a 3D effect because they care. They care about their products. They want their product to look nice and perform well. You just have to check out these tensile leads though. It's one of the biggest tensile leads I have ever seen on an 8. The speaker is going to do some damage when we stick them in new trucks. 4 of them underneath the seat. We're about to do a 2020 Silverado with 4 of these on 3,500 watts. A lot of people do not believe an 8 can get loud. However, those people are incorrect. One, they're putting them in a prefab box, and you should be putting them in a custom enclosure, as well as they're scared to run a proper amount of power. Not so much scared, but the majority of people are underpowering speakers in general. I think part of that has to do with cost, but we'll just leave that up to them. All right, guys. Check it out again. This is the DB Drive WDX G5. That wraps this one up. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you.